Welcome back to Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. I just Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Yeah, thank you all my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Today we're making cake for Thanksgiving. Yeah, it's Thanksgiving in America here. So we're gonna make Thanksgiving cake. Just vanilla cake. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Okay, into your Bible started. Tinyama and baby using your nanny. You, as time goes on. Me boboso. Tiahano me wo 1 cup all-purpose flour and a year brown sugar, but it was I say a big ones no. Tin I just put it in the blender. Okay. And me de nutmeg account. Nti me cinnamon. And me de guso. Bibiasa. Okay, so I have here 1 cup all-purpose flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Okay. I'm going to use this is 8 tablespoon butter. And then it's like half a cup. Then I'm going to add that one to it. I'm adding a little bit, just a pinch of salt, because my butter there's no salt in my butter, the butter that I'm using. Okay. Now I'm doing okay. Can use 2 hands, so maybe I'm going to use my 2 hands. So see you. Okay, into any of my baby using first of all, me wa me pan na me grease him na me the flour kakra egum. And I may want 4 eggs waha. 2.5 cup all-purpose flour. I have here vanilla nasa, baking powder. I'm using the last ones. And I may want buttermilk 1 cup. And I may want 1 cup. And then I said the baking powder, right? Then I have sugar here. That's 1.5 cup. So let's start. We're starting with this one. Me baking powder babegum me use 1 tablespoon. Why? Into the 1 and a pinch of salt. Salt kakra. But I'm using salt in him. Yeah. Okay. Until you're becoming in Afra. Kama. You mix all together. I'm using a good. Look, it's broken. And the weather is very cold here. One thing I'm realizing is so whether you're near too colder, creamy butter and the sugar na, and to me your fluffy to send ya at say yeah. This one will send ya, but we'll still bake. We won't give up. Okay, I made buttermilk and this is okay. Chimbayan is yeah, ain't it? Yang cake para nini. I fine. Thank God. Okay. Tingin she. Okay. It is a saying. Yadi yini baby gusu. Our oven is ready. Tinini. Ewie. Oven. Ebusiafo, we are done with our cake. Look, and I'm telling you the aroma in this kitchen here. I wish you can smell it through the screen. Oh, anyway, you are invited. You know, I always share my food. Okay, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like the video. Love you all. Bye. Cake is ready.